The concept of, quote, one nation, one election, unquote, aims to synchronize all elections in India, including those for the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies, to reduce costs, minimize disruptions, and enhance governance efficiency. In response to this proposal, Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister Prastun Tinsong expressed his support, stating that the initiative will greatly benefit the state's administrative machinery. He emphasized that the alignment of elections would save valuable time, particularly considering that the minimum duration of the Model Code of Conduct from its commencement to conclusion is 45 days.
Well, as far as the nation, one election, I think I will not reply on behalf of the party. My personal opinion, number one is my personal opinion, I would like to see that the election is held once, okay, not twice or thrice, be it MP or be it MLA. Otherwise, if you calculate the time consumption that we have, especially in terms of model code of conduct, is so much. So if we have one election, I would see that we save a lot of time. Yes, maybe for 2 months or 3 months continuously, but after that, in 5 years, only 2 or 3 months, we have the model code of conduct. But if we have 2 or 3 elections, you understand, the model code of conduct minimum is 45 days. If we have 2 elections, 45, how many? So my personal opinion is I would prefer, if it can be done, if it is feasible, that election, one nation is preferable for me. Thank you.